Welcome to the Station Bakery. Let's make an easy Easter treat box. First, we need a box. This box measures 12 by 5 by 1.5 inches. I love this box because it's clean, chic, has a little bit of detail, and it has a clear window so we can see clearly what's inside of the box. Moving on to the inside, I am layering the inside of this with some fake Easter grass. You can use whatever kind of filling and buffer that you choose, such as edible grass, and I've even seen someone comment to use green food coloring and some coconut, shredded coconut. How cool would that be? Now let's start adding in some of our treats. This is my Breakable Candy Bar. You can watch the video on how to make this Breakable Candy Bar here. This is such a fun treat that will make any treat box shine. The next treat I'm going to add into this box are these cute Easter eggs. Now use your imagination here because they are empty, okay? But these cute eggs are great for filling it with some kind of goodie. Loose candies, gummies, or maybe even a cute little toy or a nice note. Our next treats are a classic. I'm just adding in some pre-packaged candies here on the side to accompany all of our other tasty treats. Now, of course, you can always switch this out for treats and things that you enjoy and that you like. I just wanted to give you an idea of things that you can do. Now, once everything is in and we tuck in that pesky grass, I don't know why, but it really bothers me. We are going to close it up, and here you can see exactly what it looks like. It is so cute. Now I'm going in with some twine, and I'm going to wrap a nice cute little bow. The twine bow adds a nice rustic-y feel, and I just feel like it goes so well with the theme of Easter and the way that things during Easter look. That's just my opinion though. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure that you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.